matapos pong ma-encash yung 125 million pesos, tinawagan mo sino?
CSO officer, Your Honor.
Colonel La Chica.
Chica.
To quote, sinabi mo doon, you called him and you told him na eto na yung ready na yung 125 million pesos. Tama po ba?
Sinabihan ko po siya, Your Honor, na na-encash ko na po ang cheque for the confidential funds.
Yes, ma'am. Question. Ikaw yung special disbursing officer. Ikaw yung nag-prepare ng confidential, yung physical financial plan. Hindi mo masabi kung empleyado ba. Hindi mo masagot-sagot yung napakasimpleng tanong kung empleyado ba si Colonel La Chica. Ba? Show that to the screen, please.
I'm sorry.
You tell the public, ma'am, if yung nakita mong 125 million pesos in cold cash.
Your Honor.
Wait. Not done.
Counsel, to finish the question,
Okay.
Attorney
Mhm.
Bacuel.
Can you please confirm if the cold cash you saw 125 million pesos, do they look like that?
Your Honor.
Counsel,
Before the prosecution proceeds with the question, may we just ask as to the source of the photo and how it was generated and produced?
yes, counsel, either it is distorted because the 1,000 peso bills look bigger.
Yeah, Your Honor.
Is this AI? Your
I mean,
Honor?
Yes, of course. That is simulated.
Okay.
Is
Because
this
we don't,
AI?
wait. Because we don't have 125 million pesos in cold cash. So we had to resort to technology.
Is that, Your Honor, artificial intelligence? Is this AI?
Yes.
Generated?
Yes.
Counsels, if you will allow the presiding officer. Ma'am Gina, sabi niyo nakalagay po sa kahon, tigi 1,000 bundle. Ilang kahon po?
Dalawa, Your Honor.
Gaano kalaki po yung kahon? Gamitin niyo po yung kamay niyo. Gaano kataas po? Gaano kataas? Gaano kataas po? Yung kamay niyo po sa baba, pakipat yan para makita po namin. Ganyan kataas at ganito kalapad? Kasing lapad po ng witness stand? 125 million po yan. Dalawang kahong ganyan.
Opo, Your Honor.
Binilang niyo po ba? Tinanggal niyo po ba mula sa kahon o hindi na?
Tinanggal po sa kahon, Your Honor.
Pagkatanggal niyo sa kahon, binalik niyo ba sa kahon?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Saan niyo na nilagay?
Nilagay ko po sa aking 4 na bag.
Ito po yung duffel bag.
Parang traveling bag po, Your Honor, na oblong.
Traveling bag, 4 pong gano'n.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
The procedure.
Your witness, counsel?
Sinabi mo, ma'am, na yung 125 million pesos nakabundle into 1,000 peso bills. Sa isang bundle is 1 million pesos. Again, para sa ating mga kababayan na hindi pa nakakita, how does a 1 million pile is?
Counsel, is that an actual thing again or a reproduction?
Your Honor.
Yes, while you're showing the witness, Attorney Bakel.
May we just interpose an objection as regards presenting the witness those props, Your Honor, in as much as the parties are uncertain, the defense is uncertain as to how is that an accurate representation of what the prosecution claims to be, Your Honor.
I will ask that question, Your Honor, please.
Before I rule on the objection, yes, counsel, ask your question. And kindly don't cover Miss Gina.
I'm so sorry. Ma'am, sinabi mo, yung 125 billion pesos nakapile by 1 million peso each. Tama po ba?
Opo.
And then, yung bills ginamit is 1,000. Tama po ba? Sinabi mo hindi ka well-versed sa measurement. Yun sabi mo, di ba? Kaya nga, ito yung simulated 10 bundles. The size is similar to 1,000 peso bills. Ma'am, yung 1,000,000, pwede niyo pong hawakan if you want. If you want lang, ha? Ay, lagi dagan, ma'am, ha? Now, yung 1 million pesos, kamukha ba ng isang bundle na ito?
Your Honor.
Wait. Sabi-
Is that your question, Attorney
Yes.
Ligutan? Yes, Attorney Bakel.
Your Honor, we manifest that upon the examination of assisting counsel, these appear to be just blue-colored lengthwise papers wrapped in plastic with 10 bundles each. How is this an accurate representation of the size of
Can I
whatever
respond
the
to that?
prosecution claims to be, Your Honor? They are yet
Well-
to lay the proper basis as regards this, Your
Counsel
Honor.
claims it's a mere simulation.
Yes.
If
Alright.
that is an objection, counsel, I will have to overrule the objection. Witness will please answer. Ma'am, parang ganyan po ba yung bundle ng tigi 1,000 winidraw ninyo?
Your Honor, may I know po kung ito po ay is this 100,000?
Yes.
This one? Is this
Ma'am,
100,000?
I think we did
Sa
not-
pagkakaalala niyo po, kung tagi 1,000 po yan,
Yes.
10 bundle ng tagi 1,000 na ang kabuuan ay 1,000,000 sa isang balot ng plastic. Ganyan po ba yung itsura ng inyong winidraw? Yung bundle po yung bundle.
Basta nakabalot lang po siya ng silupin, Your Honor, tapos binilang po namin.
Ma'am, when you say cellophane, plastic.
Plastic.
Ito, Your Honor.
Kaya nga, so ganyan po yung size.
Oo, nakasilyo po, Your Honor.
Bagong pera po ba, lumang pera?
Bagong pera po, Your Honor.
Okay, so mga ganyan nga po yung size. Yun lang ang tinatanong sa inyo ni Attorney Ligutan. Huwag natin pag-usapan yung bigat, yung hugis.
We'll go into the weight later.
Halos ganyan po ba?
Ganito po, Your Honor. Basta nakabalot po siya ng silupin.
Ma'am, kayo naman. Makita niyo naman kung
Parang
halos parehas Para halos parehas po ba? Yun lang ganun kasimple yung tanong.
May similarity gama, Your Honor.
Okay.
Kag may manggod siya, lapad-lapad man ang kwarta.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. Now, Madam Witness. Ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 125 of these bundles, correct? Yung nakita nyo sa hapon na yun, December 20, 2022. Tama po ba?
Unsa?
Yun yung nakita nyo sa
Yeah.
bangko na in-encash ng Office of the Vice President. Cash, cold cash. Sa hapon na yun. Tama po ba?
Ano po? 125 million po to, Your Honor, ang nakita nako. Among giihap.
Yes.
Gibilang po namin, Your Honor.
Yeah, 125.
Your
And then-
Honor.
Just to clarify, Gina, before Attorney Bakel, before I recognize you, bundle count lang po ang ginawa niyo.
Bundle count po, Your
Hindi niyo
Honor.
na po binuksan yung cellophane na sinasabi niyo, yung plastic, binilang niyo na lang po, 125 yung ganun.
Hindi na po, Your Honor. Nakasilyo po kasi siya, Your Honor.
So binilang niyo na nga lang po, 125 na ganun.
Opo, Your Honor.
Hindi na isa-isa. Hindi niyo na binilang isa-isa yung bill. Yung tigi 1,000.
Dili natin
Hindi na po.
Hindi
Okay.
na.
Attorney Bakel, yes. What is your comment or objection?
Your Honor, may we respectfully ask if the props could already be removed, Your Honor, as it's not necessary for the testimony of the witness.
It is, Your Honor. It is.
Are
is
you
very
done yet
much.
with that, with your
Not yet, Your
simulation,
Honor.
counsel?
Not yet.
Okay.
Now,
Wind it up.
yes. Now, I'm sure, Madam Witness, with your figure, kanang imong kadakon sa lawas, ma'am, you would not be able to bring yung kadami-daming 125 million pesos in cold cash na iyan. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
Now, who were with you in the bank yung moment na iyan?
Your Honor, ibig sabihin pa kung sinong kasama ko pagpunta sa bangko?
Yung nasa bangko na, sa loob ng bangko, kaharap yung 125 million pesos in cold cash. Sino yung kasama mo from the Office of the Vice President kung meron man?
Your Honor, before the
Yes,
witness
Attorney
may
Bacal.
answer, Your Honor, the question of the prosecution is totally unrelated to the use of the props, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
May we
I
just
am
request,
going
Your
there.
Honor? I'm still not finished. May we just respect the defense respectfully request, Your Honor, that these be removed until the relevant question is interposed, considering
So we
that the witness has the right to be respected as well in the
Wait.
proceedings, Your
I
Honor.
think I see, Attorney Bakel, I think the court sees well Attorney Legutan is getting to get to it, Attorney Legutan.
Yes. Okay,
Miss
now,
Gina, may kasama po ba kayong ibang tao mula sa OVP nung pinik up niyo yung pera?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Sino po?
Si Asik Ortonio po, Your Honor.
Okay, Attorney Legutan, your witness.
okay now, walang membro ng VP-SPG, okay, yung kasama nyo, yung Vice Presidential Special Protection Group, kasama nyo sa loob ng bangkong iyan. Tama po ba?
Wala, Your Honor, pero ang aming driver po ay member po ng BPSPG.
Yes, ma'am. Now, even with such large amount of money, hindi nyo naisipan na mag-request ng isang or maraming escort na sasama sa inyo sa bangko tsaka lalabas with those bills. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor, argumentative.
Oh, Your Honor.
Overruled, counsel. Witness will answer.
Ang gisama ko po, Your Honor, nakisuyo po ako, nasamahan po ako ni Asik Ortonio.
Ortonio lang.
Nakiusap ka, nasamahan ka ni Asik Ortonio.
Yes,
Okay
Your Honor.
How did you bring out of the bank yun yung that 125 million pesos?
Your Honor, po di ulitin ang question.
Okay, paano nyo inilabas ng bangko yung 125 million pesos na yan?
May tumulong po sa akin, Your Honor.
Oh. Okay now. Sino yung tumulong sa inyo?
Yung security
Okay
ng
na.
land bank po, Your Honor.
This is the question now. Okay. Yung 125 million pesos na yan, did you put it into bags or you brought them out one by one?
Nailagay po yun sa 4 na bag, Your Honor.
4 na bag. So, hindi po hand carry lang yung bills na yan.
Hindi, Your
Okay, so
Honor.
now we will give in to what the defense wants, Your Honor, please. Having been satisfied that this person cannot bring out of the bank using her own 2 hands these bills, now we can now. Attorney J,
Assisting
you
counsel.
may now remove.
Proceed, counsel.
Okay, now, you said you put them sa mga traveling bags. Ilang bags? 4 po, di ba?
4, Your Honor.
Can you describe to us yung size ng mga traveling bags na ito?
Ganito, Your Honor.
Ganyan.
Paoblong.
Okay, now. Okay, paublong. I will show you now representation of 125 million pesos inside 4 traveling bags. Ito yung tanong now. Okay. 4 traveling bags with bills, 1,000 peso bills inside them. Yung hapon na yun, ma'am, maalala nyo ba, Miss Gina F. Acosta, kung yung na-withdraw nyo na 125 million pesos na isinilid nyo sa 4 traveling bags, do they look like this?
Before you
Please-
answer,
please flash
Gina,
on screen.
counsel for respondent?
Your Honor, we interpose the same objection as regards the use of AI-generated imagery, Your Honor, without laying the proper basis as to how it accurately represents what the prosecution claims to be, Your Honor.
No,
It has no basis, Your Honor.
The court will simply note the objection of counsel, and counsel, the court will also take note of your continuing objection with respect to the use of AI-generated representations
Yeah.
of what he is asking the witness about. If it shows closely or not, what bag she used to bring out the 125 million.
Opo.
With your permission, counsel, court will note your continuing objection, the use of AI representations.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you so much.
Counsel will please, witness will please answer, Ma'am Gina, parang ganyan po ba yung 4 na bag na pinaglagyan nyo?
Hindi ganyan, Your Honor, kasi ang opening niyan is round.
Opo.
Yun po.
Ang sa akin, ang dinala ko po na bag is pag ganun po ang zipper.
Pahaba. Yung kabuuan ng bag. Okay, number 1, yun ang isang pagkakaiba. Kulay,
Kulay black.
pareho. At 4 na bag, kumasa yung 125.
4 po na bag, Your Honor.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. Ma'am, in putting the bills inside the bag, okay, sino ba yung tumulong sa paglalagay ng mga bills, yung 1,000 peso bills, sa mga bags na ito? Sino yung gumawa niyan?
Ako po, Your Honor, ang naglagay ng mga pera sa bag.
Alright. May membro ba ng VP-SPG na tumulong sa iyo sa paglalagay ng mga bills na yan sa bag?
Wala, Your Honor.
Then, how long did it take for you to put all the 125 million pesos into the bags?
Hindi ko maalala, Your Honor.
Maaalala niyo po ba, kasi sa kayo naglagay doon, maaalala niyo po ba gaano ba kabigat yung isang bag containing piles of 1,000 peso bills piled into 1 million each?
Basta mabigat po, Your
Mabigat.
Honor.
What about 30 kilograms per bag? Kung maalala mo.
Di ko exactly maalala, Your Honor.
Alright. Ikaw ba ay nagkarga ng isa sa mga 4 bags na ito?
Wala, Your Honor.
Oh, so sino yung nagkarga?
Bali, ganito po. Yung kung ang pera ay nandiyon na sa lahat na nailagay na po sa 4 na bag. Sa dihang on a while na ilabas ko na po, Your Honor, tumulong po sa akin ang 2 security guard, Your Honor. Ginano nila, Your Honor, papunta sa entrance ng bangko kung saan naghintay po ang aming sasakyan, Your Honor. Tapos ako, Your Honor, nagtanaw sa 2 ka security, Your Honor.
Alright. Now, what about Libel Ortonio? Ano ba yung ginawa niya kung meron man sa paglalabas ng 4 bags containing 125 million pesos in cold cash? May naitulong ba si Ginoong Libel Ortonio?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala. Again, walang escorts, no request for escort. Di po ba?
Wala, pero ang amo ang driver, Your Honor, is a member of BPSPG.
Isang driver.
2, Your Honor.
2 drivers. Okay. Aside from these 2 drivers, yung tanong ko is, aside from the 2 drivers, walang ibang membro ng VP-SPG.
As in answered, Your Honor.
Asked and answered,
Okay.
counsel.
What time did you leave the bank?
Ano, Your Honor?
Anong oras kayo lumabas ng bangko?
Di ko exactly maalala, Your Honor.
Hindi mo maalala. Now, galing sa trolley, di ba? papunta ng mga sasakyan. Okay? Sino yung nag-transfer ng mga bags na yan?
Misleading, Your Honor. There's no testimony as to the trolley.
I
or-
did hear trolley as well,
I
Counsel.
will reform, Your Honor. Now, sino ba yung nag-transfer?
Tapos, nakita ng BSPG na nag-action ako na kunin ang bag. Nakita nila na dili ko kaya. Tumulong po ang dalawang BPSPG, Your Honor,
Mhm.
na ang bag makuha doon sa sasakyan. Tapos, ilagay namin sa trolley.
And then,
Tapos, sakay na kami, Your Honor, sa elevator na hindi tao ang sumasakay. Ano yung service elevator, Your
Service
Honor.
elevator.
Sakay
Okay,
na
now.
kami.
saan nyo dinala yung pera?
Dinala ko po sa aking extension office, Your
Extension
Honor.
office. Yung 4 traveling bags.
Opo, Your
Now,
Honor.
ito yung tanong now, Madam Witness. Hindi po ba, noong November 25, 2024, Committee on Good Government and Public Accountability hearing, sinabi nyo dun, please show the TSN, that's right after encashment, pagkatapos pong ma-encash yung 125 million pesos, tinawagan mo sino?
CSO officer, Your Honor.
Colonel
La
Lachica.
Chica.
To quote, sinabi mo doon, you called him and you told him na eto na yung, ready na yung 125 million pesos. Tama po ba?
Sinabihan ko po siya, Your Honor, na na-encash ko na po ang cheque for the confidential funds.
Yes, ma'am. Question. Ikaw yung special disbursing officer. Ikaw yung nag-prepare ng confidential, yung physical financial plan. Hindi mo masabi kung empleyado ba. Hindi mo masagot-sagot yung napakasimpleng tanong kung empleyado ba si Colonel Lachica. The question is, why did you have to call Colonel Lachica to inform him, Colonel Lachica, ready na ang 125 million pesos? Bakit?
Kasi po, may instruction po sa taas, Your Honor, ng aking head of agency na kung ma-encash ko po ang cheque, i-release ko po kay Sir La Chica, kinsa iyang gi-designate nga special officer po, a security officer po sa Office of the Vice President na siya i-order, Your Honor.
Okay, ma'am. Sabi mo, tinawagan mo si Colonel Lachica kasi yun yung utos ng head of agency. Siguro sa ating mga kababayan na hindi alam, sino ba? Sino ba ang head of agency na nag-utos sa'yo as the special disbursing officer na ibigay yung 125 million pesos in cold cash sa isang security officer, Colonel Raymond Dante Lachica?
Ang nag-utos po sa akin na i-release ang pera na 125M sa security officer na si Colonel Lachica ay si Ma'am Sara Duterte.
You turned over 125 million pesos to Colonel Lachica precisely para siya yung mag-disburse ng 125 million pesos for the supposed confidential activities ng Office of the Vice President. Tama po ba?
Misleading, Your Honor.
What?
Why is it misleading, Counsel?
Your Honor, the witness has yet to testify on anything
Uy.
that the
I'm leading her.
question is premised on, Your Honor.
Overruled, Counsel. Witness said that she was instructed by the head of agency, the vice president, to give the money to, anong word ginamit niyo, ma'am? Transfer?
Release.
Release. To release the money to Colonel Lachica. Proceed, Counsel.
Now, hindi po ba na nag-testify ka rin sa November 25, 2024 Committee on Good Government hearing na binigay mo yung 125 million pesos kay Colonel La Chica kasi si La Chica lang yung may alam, siya lang yung may alam on how to implement yung confidential activities. Di po ba?
Yes po.
Yes
Siya
po.
po ang expert.
Oh, wait. You can explain po later, ma'am, ha? Okay,
Sorry
now.
po.
And you only came to know that Colonel La Chica knows how to implement the confidential activities. Nalaman nyo lang na si Colonel La Chica yung may alam paano i-implement yung confidential activities precisely because yun yung sabi sa inyo ni VP Inday Sara Duterte. Tama po ba?
Kasi po ang
Wait,
security,
Ma'am, with all due respect po pwede pong sagutin ng yes or no without explanation. Ma'am, I will allow you, pero pwede po bang sagutin po muna? Yes or no? I will allow you to explain.
Your Honor, the witness is answering, Your Honor. May the witness be allowed to finish her answer?
She already started answering, counsel. Let her answer and you can continue with your direct. Kindly answer, pakisagot po, Ma'am Gina. Yung katanungan.
Your Honor, may I request to repeat the question, Your
Okay, now.
Honor?
Ulit na lang po, Attorney
I
Ligutan.
will. Nalaman mo na si Colonel La Chica yung may alam paano i-implement yung confidential activities. Kasi nga, yun yung sabi sa inyo ni VP Sara Duterte. Tama po ba?
Yes, siya po ang security officer na sinabi ni Vice Presidente.
Alright, now, I'm showing you yung transcript, page 140 this time. Do we have it? Page 140. Tanong sa inyo, Representative Luis, then why did you give all the money to Colonel La Chica? Yung sagot niyo was, because po may utos po ni Ma'am Inday Sara na sa kanya ko po i-release kasi siya po ang nakakaalam kung paano po i-implement ang mga programs and programs and activities in line po sa confidential activities. You confirm that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Madam, since si La Chica yung may alam paano i-implement yung project under confidential funds, siya din yung nag-implement ng mga confidential activities. This time, ma'am, hindi na 2022. This time, for 2023, correct?
Same question, Your Honor.
Okay, I will repeat the question. Since sabi mo, ipinabigay ni VP Sara yung pera kay La Chica kasi siya yung may alam paano i-implement yung confidential activities. Okay, now, yung tanong is, si Colonel La Chica din, yung nag-implement ng lahat ng confidential activities, this time, ma'am, para sa taong 2023. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Your
Tama
Honor.
po. Now, this is the question now. You will agree that handling tsaka yung pagdi-disperse ng 500 million pesos
500.
na pera ng bayan, ma'am, pondo ng bayan, hindi iyan trabaho ng isang security officer kagaya ni Colonel La Chica. Tama po ba?
Objection, Your Honor.
What's the objection?
Counsel, what's the objection?
Your Honor, the objection is grounded that it's argumentative and it calls for a conclusion, Your Honor.
Kindly modify, counsel. It is
Okay, now.
argumentative. You can modify and get
Yes,
the
ma'am.
response you want from the witness.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Now, Madam Witness, hindi po ba na base sa paragraph 3.27 ng Joint Circular 2015, please flash that one. Yun yung trabaho ng isang security officer. Refers to a personnel who by reason of his duty or employment has been officially designated to have access to security information. Tanong, andyan ba dyan nakasulat na po pwedeng yung isang security officer yung mag-i-implement ng confidential activities tsaka yung magdi-disburse ng confidential funds. ng isang ahensya like the Office of the Vice President.
Same objection, Your Honor. Argumentative and calls for a conclusion.
If she knows, counsel, because she answered that she based her actions on based on JC 2015-1. Ma'am Gina, pakisagot po yung tanong. Bahagi po ba ng trabaho ng security officer ayon sa joint circular ang tumanggap ng confidential at mag-implement ng confidential funds?
Siya po ang may alam, siya po ang eksperto, Your Honor, sa pagpatupad po ng confidential operation and activities, Your Honor. Kasi siya po ang may access when it comes to national security, Your Honor.
Ayon po kanino, ma'am? Ayon sa joint circular, ayon sa interpretasyon nyo, o ayon sa utos sa inyo?
Ayon po sa joint circular, Your Honor.
Saan po sa joint circular? Alam niyo po?
At saka ayon po sa utos ng head of agency kasi meron po siyang security officer na order, Your Honor.
Counsel, your witness.
Of course, iisa-isahin natin yan. Sinabi mo nasa joint circular, yung basihan, na po pwede yung security officer, okay, mag-disburse ng confidential funds. Ma'am, I will give you all the time you will need. Basahin. 2015 circular. Saan dyan? Saan dyan makikita? Yung sinasabi mong pwedeng security officer yung maggasta, disburse ng confidential funds.
Your Honor, based po sa aking nalalaman sa GC, ako po ang special disbursing officer. Ang gawain ko po, Your Honor, is to disburse. Pero ang pag-implement po ng mga confidential operation activities in related to confidential funds, yan po ay saklaw po sa trabaho po ng isang security officer kasi wala po akong alam. Hindi ako eksperto, Your Honor, sa pagpatupad ng various confidential activities or operation on the grounds, Your Honor.
Okay, I will tailor, I'll make this narrower. Yung pagdi-disperse, yung pagbabayad, paggagamit ng confidential funds, based sa circular, trabaho ba yan ng isang security officer?
As in answered, Your Honor.
If wala pa,
Overruled. Witness will please answer.
Ano po yan?
trabaho po ba ng isang ng isang security officer yung paggamit ng confidential funds, pag-disperse ng confidential funds, trabaho po ba yan based sa circular?
Basta ang trabaho ko, Your Honor, ako po ang disbursing officer, Your Honor. Ang pagpa-implement po ng various confidential activities in relation po sa confidential fund, Your Honor, ay saklaw po sa trabaho ng security officer, Your Honor. Kasi
Ma'am Gina.
confidential po yun, Your Honor.
Ma'am Gina, ang tanong po, trabaho ba ng security officer gastusin, i-release, ilabas yung confidential fund na dinisburse po ninyo? Kung oo po, saan sa joint circular nakalagay yun?
Ano yun, sir?
Trabaho po ba ng security officer gastusin yung nirelease yung confidential fund? Iba po yung implement. Siyempre, siya yung magagawa ng surveillance. Siyempre, siya po yung kukuha ng mga operative na sa intelligence. Pero yung paggastos po, trabaho po ba ng security officer gastusin yung dinisburse ninyong confidential fund?
Hindi po, Your Honor. Trabaho po yung ng disbursing officer, Your Honor. Pero, pag na-release ko na po ang pera sa kanya, Your Honor, pinareceive ko sa kanya, Your Honor, magbigay po siya sa akin ng utilization report, Your Honor. Yun po ang signed or evidence, Your Honor, na nagawa, na-implement na po niya, Your Honor, ang mga various confidential activities or operation, Your Honor, sa ground kasi siya po ang expert, Your Honor.
So sa pananaw po ninyo, ang ginamit niyo pong salita, release.
Yes,
Yung
Your
pag-release po nyo ng pera kay Colonel Lachica, dapat i-liquidate na po niya yun?
I-liquidate po niya, Your Honor, after po, matapos po ang pagpa-implement ng various confidential activities po sa ground, Your Honor. Kasi siya po ang eksperto, Your Honor.
Pero siya po ang gumastos ng pera sa iba't ibang nakatanggap ng confidential fund. Tama po.
Ano yun, Your Honor?
Siya po ang gumastos ng pera at nag-abot ng pera sa iba't ibang pinagbigyan niya base sa intelligence at confidential operations niya. Tama po ba?
Siya po, Your Honor, kasi siya po ang may alam kung paano po i-implement ang mga confidential operations activities, Your Honor. Kasi confidential po yun, Your Honor. Wala
Hindi po ba
akong
sang-ayon
alam.
sa joint circular, kayo dapat ang nagdi-disburse direkta sa beneficiary o recipient?
Hindi naman po sinabi, Your Honor, na ako ang magpunta doon sa ground, Your Honor. Kasi wala po akong alam, Your Honor, kung ipapatupad. Wala po akong security, wala po akong access, Your Honor, sa tinatawag na national security information, Your Honor.
Huling katanungan po kaugnay nito bago kay ipasa kay Attorney Lagutan. Sa pananaw niyo po ba, sa pag-release niyo kay Colonel Lachica, recipient si Colonel Lachica ng confidential fund o ginampanan po niya yung tungkulin niya sa pag-disburse lamang?
Nalibog ko. I'm sorry. I'm
Recipient po ba si
confused.
Attorney Lachica, si Colonel Lachica o tagapagbigay lang siya ng perang ni-release niyo sa kanya?
Wait.
Yung pera po ba'y tinanggap ni Colonel Lachica para sa sarili niya?
Hindi, Your Honor.
Tinanggap po niya para ipamigay sa ibang tao?
Tinangka po niya, Your Honor, para po, Your Honor, sa mga gastusin in relation po sa pagpatupad ng confidential activities or operations, Your Honor. Kasi siya po ang may alam, Your Honor, at saka confidential in nature po, Your Honor.
So sa pananaw po ninyo, hindi siya recipient, si Colonel Lachica.
Yun po ang explanation ko sa iyo kanina, Your Honor.
Hindi nga po siya recipient.
Dili, Your Honor.
Okay.
Ili is hindi. Now, you said,
Attorney
may I proceed,
Ligutan.
Your Honor? You said that you gave the 125 billion pesos to Colonel Lachica